And one update, I'm going to visit one chateau, which is actually hotel, spa and restaurant. Amazing, but sometimes you don't have to go to the hotel and spend a night. You can just go for a spa and for lunch or dinner. Sometimes they have events. For me, so far, it looks beautiful if you want to celebrate your Valentine's Day or your birthday or any special date in your life. Most of the time, those kind of places I find very inspirational for my future projects, and that makes me come here for a drink, just to gather my thoughts, to enjoy the environment, enjoy the atmosphere, and I want to share that with you. From here. My name is Marina.
Yes, I think I met you already.
Yeah. At the moment, I'm not allowed to make videos or any shots inside the hotel or inside the bar. Actually, I'm working on it to get permission, but I had the beautiful bubbles. I had beautiful sparkling wine with chips that looks like it's homemade or very exclusive one. And now I'm heading to pick up Sophie, my daughter. And just before I show you where we went for a dinner, I want to show you one interesting hotel and a really good spot in Amboise. Day in one of the coziest restaurants in the city center of Amboise.